Hello, good morning. So, I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Today is the morning of Wednesday, and today I'm going to teach you our EBS book of class 4. And today I'm going to start also a new chapter of this book. So, everyone take out this book. Now, let's open the page number 63, the chapter 10, water pollution and treatment. Okay, in this chapter I will teach you what is the water pollution, how we can control our water pollution. Okay, so what is the definition of that? Okay, so firstly we will read what is water pollution. Okay, firstly I given one important line, those we have to study compulsory. Water is the most precious gift of nature to us. It is most important for human life. We know it is very important for us. So water pollution is caused when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into the water bodies. Okay, we know that water bodies, what water bodies means: river, lakes, sea, ocean, just like that. So how it happened means pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly, just like you are watching there are more garbages of water bodies. That's why it is a river pollutants, because it's a river. Okay, it's happening also. Next, turn the next page. Water pollution are given, how happened. Okay, more given: water gets polluted due to falling reason. Okay, here more reason given, just you have to read. I'm only reading one or two. People wash clothes, utensils, and even cattle in the ponds and river. Okay, means it's washing on their pots and clothes. That's why it's pollutes. Okay, factories dump their solid and liquid waste into the river and seas. Okay, as you are watching here, there, that's why it's polluting. It's a factory pollute, and in the river is going. That's why the water thus polluted harm us in many ways. So what will be cause for us? Okay, which type of disease can be happened with us? Disease like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, jaundice are caused due to consumption of polluted water. Polluted water also adversely affects the aquatic life. Okay, aquatic life means those lives are living in a river or ocean or water, just like fish. Okay, or fish, whale, fish, and more things. How to control water pollution? How we can control? So keep the surrounding areas of well, hand pump and river clean. We have to keep clean of water bodies. Ensure proper treatment of sewage before its disposal into rivers. We should forbid people to bath, wash utensil or clothes near the water sources. Okay, so government should be all needed water to take their houses. That's why they will not go any water bodies to uh, garbage. Okay, so just you have to also read all things how to control water pollution, and uh, follow this rule also. Potable water, what that is safe for drink is in called potable water. Means purification water means those water we can drink. It is safe for our lab. Okay, it is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. We need to purify water at home before drinking it. Okay, how we can purify our drinking water? Okay, by boiling water. Okay, by salting, by purification by aqua guard, as you are watching here. Okay, so here given boiling kill germs in water. Bleaching powder, it's a bleaching powder. Okay, so there are many ways to purify the water. You must read. Okay, so this is your homework to must read everything about chapter 10, and solve book work, write true or false, fill in the blanks as I have done. Okay, thank you.